Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. Okay, where am I? So hey guys, welcome back to our channel once again. And another number video is yet another unboxing video of none other than Sugar Box. ഓക്കെ സോ ദ തിങ് ഇസ് ലൈക്ക് ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോയിൽ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ നമ്മുടെ ഇത്തവണത്തെ ഷുഗർ ബോക്സിന് ഒരു പ്രത്യേകതയുണ്ട് വിച്ച് ഇസ് ആക്ച്വലി ദിസ് ഇസ് ദി ആനുവൽ എഡിഷൻ ബോക്സ് ആണ് ഷുഗറിൻ്റെ. സോ ഐ എം സോ എക്സൈറ്റഡ് ടു ഓപ്പൺ ഇറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം ഞാൻ ആക്ച്വലി നേരത്തെ ബോക്സ് പൊട്ടിച്ച് നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് നിങ്ങളെ കാണിച്ചത്. ബട്ട് ദിസ് ടൈം ഞാൻ അതേപോലെ എടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് കെയിം ഇൻ ദ സെയിം പിങ്ക് ബോക്സ് ഒക്കെ. സോ ഞാൻ എന്തായാലും എടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ യു ക്യാൻ സീ മൈ ലൈവ് റിയാക്ഷൻസ്. സോ പൊട്ടത്തരം ആണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ യു ഗൈസ് ഹാവ് ടു സ്പെയർ വിത്ത് മീ. ഓക്കെ, സോ നമുക്ക് ഒട്ടും ടൈം വേസ്റ്റ് ആക്കണ്ട. ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ദ വീഡിയോ. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് ദ കട്ടിംഗ് ബിഗിൻ. സോ ലാസ്റ്റ് ടൈമിൽ നിന്ന് ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചതെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ദിസ് ടൈം ദേ ആക്ച്വലി ഹാവ് സംതിങ് എക്സ്ട്രാ പിൻഡ് ഓൺ ടു ദ ബോക്സ്, which is actually this one. It's a little cute jewelry with my initial on it, which is the M. God, I always wanted one of these. Okay, I'm back to my old chattering again. I always wanted one of these, see? This is so cute. It's very cute actually. I loved it. And the color is also a little bit of a rose gold tint, not that fully gold and all. It's a very cute accessory. I loved it. Thank you so much. So I think it is idu vandu special edition aanennu thonunu. Ya Tamil Malayalam English ellam kudi kalarthi parayana. Okay, let's keep it there and now get into the actual box. Okay, here I am opening the box. I don't know what color is it. Just something like that. Okay, so many things are going down, so let me connect it. Yay! It's Magic Pops. It's a popping candy which is of lychee flavor. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാലോ, എവറി ടൈം ദേ സെൻഡ് സം ഈറ്റബിൾ വിത്ത് ദ ഷുഗർ ബോക്സ്. ആൻഡ് ഇത്തവണ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് മാജിക് പോപ്സ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ. Oh, I love it. I have never eaten Magic Pop, so okay, let's open it and see. Okay, I think I have to put it in water and something. Okay, so I'll keep it aside for later use. Okay, so let's get into the next item. Next item endaanennu choichal, this just popped out of the case and fell down. It is like a cute clip. It's a cute clip. I'll just open it. Proper ആയിട്ട് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ബട്ടൺ ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ ഇതിൽ. See, like this. Okay, now there's a cat in my head. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, I am just holding this and I see a beautiful fur kind of thing. Let's take it out and see what it is. Wow! It's like a cute cap, okay? എന്താ പറയുക, ജസ്റ്റ് വൂൾ മാതിരിയുള്ള ഒരു മെറ്റീരിയൽ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ക്യാപ്പാണ്. It's perfect if we go to Manali or something, but right now I am in Chennai. Doesn't matter. But let's try this on. Put on this one and show you guys how it looks. Ouch! I can cover my whole face with it, guys. This is perfect for my Manali trip, which I don't know when it is going to happen. Maybe when I'm 50 or 60 or God knows. But still, it's good. It's pretty good. I love the color of it. It's pretty good. And I think I look cute in this. I loved it. Because most of my head and face is not visible, I definitely look cute in this. You have got to agree, okay? Okay, I'm keeping this and let's move on to next item. Where is our box? Okay, the next thing I see is like oru cover oru mug polte oru saanam ട്ടോ. This is what I see. It's like a glass container kind of thing. ഇതെന്താ പാൽക്കുപ്പിയാണത്? ഇവര് കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം എനിക്ക് എന്താ വേണ്ടതെന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാണ് അയച്ചതെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ. ഐ തിങ്ക് അവരെൻ്റെ സ്വഭാവം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. പാൽക്കുപ്പിയൊക്കെ അയച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. ഗൈസ്, okay, this is not removable. It's a cute cap actually. Seriously, this is a palkupi. See, this is so nice. I don't know what it is for. Okay, it's just like a container or something, but it's very cute actually. Okay, I love this too. I can use it in some of my videos, and I basically like decorative things. I love aesthetics, so it's good. I like it. Okay. I can't find a use for it, but maybe I'll put jeera or something. No, I won't do that. I will put something beautiful in it. But I basically love the color. It's baby pink and baby blue. It's very cute. Okay, let's move on to the next item. ഇത്ര നേരം നമ്മൾ എത്ര ഐറ്റം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഇതിനകത്ത്? 5 items we have unfolded so far. Let's move on to the next item. This is called live reaction, guys. This is called live reaction because December edition nu varnappo seriously I was thinking of this stuff. I love this so much. എനിക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ ഇടാനായിട്ട് ഒരു ചെരുപ്പ് വേണമായിരുന്നു. വേറെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഒന്നിനും അല്ല. എൻ്റെ അമ്മായിയമ്മ എപ്പോഴും പറയും വീട്ടിൽ ചെരുപ്പ് ഇട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ വാദം വരുന്നു. സത്യമാണെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. മോസ്റ്റ്ലി സത്യമാവാനാണ് ചാൻസ്. എസ്പെഷ്യലി ഡിസംബറിലൊക്കെ ചെന്നൈയിൽ ഭയങ്കര തണുപ്പാണ്. മോസ്റ്റ്ലി തണുപ്പായിരിക്കും. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം ഓക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ വന്ന സമയത്ത് ഭയങ്കര തണുപ്പായിരുന്നു. എൻ്റെ ബോഡിക്ക് ഒട്ടും അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. ഇത്തവണ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കൊടൂര തണുപ്പ്, ഒരു രക്ഷയില്ല. മേ ബി ഇതെനിക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ വെച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കാവുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ, അത്ര തണുപ്പാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഐ വാസ് എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ്, ബട്ട് കളർ ഐ ഡിഡൻറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ഇറ്റ് മച്ച്. ഐ വാസ് എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ് എ പിങ്ക് വൺ ആക്ച്വലി. ബട്ട് ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് മൂവ് ഓൺ ഫ്രം ക്ലീഷേസ്. നൈസ് സൗണ്ട്. Oh, I have to check if it fits my legs. Okay, size is there. It's 40, 41. My size is actually 8 in the UK size. I don't know what it is. Let's try this on. Yes, it fits and it's so beautiful. So soft. I'll show you. This is nice. This is awesome. I love it. I'm gonna wear it all day. Oh, it feels so velvety, guys. My feet feel so velvety and soft. So happy. So happy. Okay, let's move on to next item. എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. Let's watch it. That is my scissors. I shouldn't be cutting the item also. Okay, I think it's a hairband. Let's see. Oh, it's a hairband. It's just a black hairband. A velvety black hairband. It stretches pretty much. My mom used to look for things like this. Maybe I'll give it to my mom. I don't use buns like this so much. But I can actually style it with a lot of things. But let's give this to mom because she'll like it. She was just looking for something like this. Okay, so you're tracking my mother also. Whatever. It's nice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh, there is this nice light coming from my window. Such a precious time, no? 5 o'clock, 4, 5. Oh, and it's a very good Sunday too. And I was like very happy to get the sugar box on this day so that I can make the video as soon as possible to show you guys. I couldn't wait to show you guys. So I just woke up and I just started doing the video just like that. But of course, yes, I put on some makeup also. Okay, let's move on to the next one. With the cap and the Christmas tree and stuff, I look like I'm from some other country. I look like the guy who can't let go of Christmas. I mean, the girl. Which I am. I'm not going to take this down soon. I love Christmas trees and I love it like anything. I'm not gonna take it down anytime soon. And I put a lot of effort in decorating it. And this is going to be there for some time. Okay, get used to it. Next item. Yay! Next item is it's a page. Where are the legs of the... Okay, it's there. I was thinking this is some new kind of thing because I couldn't find the legs. New clothes ka smell is there, no? I love it. Okay, this is very nice and I hope it's in my size. Yes, it is. And it is written pretty as a flower with Minnie Mouse on it. Oh, I love it. I am Minnie Mouse. See? Okay, it's nice. Thank you. So actually for sugar box it is worth 1500. What makes it worth 1500 is basically the jewelry and the clothing. The clothing is like of very good quality, so you can count on that. Let's go to next item. I love this anniversary special. It is not ending, man. This is the 7th item, right? Yes, we have a lot more items to go, I guess. Let's see. Oh my god! This is bombastic. Look at this. Look at what I got. Here it is, that creepy stocking thing from Sugar Box again, because I was just about to check if I have to buy a wallet because my wallet was going all creepy and black and some things like that. So here it is. I got the wallet and it's awesome. It's awesome. I love it. I have lot of space to keep my cards. I have lot of cards, trust me, I have lot of cards, and only one of them is credit card, but I have other lot of cards. Like three are there. That's enough. And then I have a zipped compartment here where I can keep my chillaras, which are my pennies. Not the pennies from Big Bang Theory. I'll remove the sponge. And that's pretty much it actually. Here I have one compartment, here I have one cards compartment, chillera compartment. Again cards. Okay, I have two cards. So it's basically 3, 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3, 12. 12 cards I can keep. എനിക്ക് 12 കാർഡ്സ് വെക്കാൻ സ്ഥലം തന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ ഒരു 100 കാർഡ് വെക്കും. അതാണ് എൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്വഭാവം. It's pretty compact, pretty comfortable, very soft. Only thing I see as a problem is that it can get stained quick. Just now it got stained from my lipstick, but it's okay. They are again going to send something and I'm again going to subscribe to this, so it's okay. Okay, this is my creepy stocking sugar box item from this edition. Alright, so there is one more item, the last item. Let's see what it is. It has come in a precious velvet kind of bag, and inside, oh my baby, I can't believe my eyes here. I can't seriously believe my eyes. They are seriously stalking me. I'm telling you, they are seriously stalking me. Okay, I know. WhatsApp is sharing my data to Facebook. Facebook is sharing it to Sugarbox, and Sugarbox is buying things according to my wish. That can be true. That is the only logical reasoning I can find from what is happening right now, because I just got a chain roller. See, I was searching for this thing and it was showing like some 1300, and you know, for the quality stuff it was showing 1300 and all. I was like, why would I buy a stone for 1300 rupees? I can buy an entire sugar box. This is the worth of sugar box, I'm feeling. 2 boxes through, you have not disappointed me. This is very precious. I'm gonna keep it in this bag itself. This is very precious. I have been concentrating a lot on skincare and massages and all those things. I love this. I was seriously looking for it. You guys won't trust me. I wanted this so much. I wanted to try this if it works. You know, I just want to keep that kind of massage. This is awesome. It's very cold. Okay, I'm not supposed to massage it with foundation on my face and just clog all my pores. So let's do it later. I'll definitely share a video. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Sugarbox. Thank you, me, who paid for it. Thank you, my job, who gives me money to pay for it. Thank you, mom, dad, for giving me life. Thank you, the problems in my life that makes me want to buy Sugarbox again and be happy. So that was the last item on our anniversary edition sugar box. Now I want a jade roller. I can't believe it. 2021 is going to be great, guys. I'm telling you. Alright, my ladies. So our video is done. അപ്പോൾ അതൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ കണ്ട ഐറ്റംസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. And I hope you like this video, and I took the video as soon as I got the box, guys. I didn't wait for it. I was not able to wait to share it with you guys. I'm gonna quickly go edit this video and put it up tomorrow itself. Today I'm not going to, because I already put up a video today which is a travel blog and people will be kadupaiduvanga. So I'm not going to do that today, but tomorrow morning or evening you will get your sugar box unboxing video. I hope you like it, and I am going to definitely subscribe to Sugarbox again and again and again. I love it so much. Because of Sugarbox I'm not doing lot of shopping these days, otherwise for cosmetics. So I'm getting my part of jewelry and, you know, pampering stuff I'm getting, and at least for that time I'm like super happy. I can't let it go, so I'm gonna order it again. So if you want to know what I'm gonna get in the next subscription boxes, you know what to do. Hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell right next to it so that you'll get a notification when I upload that video. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your girly friends, and enjoy. So see you all with the next subscription box, and until then, ta-ta, bye-bye, see you, I love you all.